Okay, we're going to start lesson 10 today. This should be Thursday if we're keeping pace, hopefully. The first thing I want you to do is our learning targets today are going to be analyzing Mark Kurlansky's point of view in an excerpt of chapter 5. So today is going to be similar to Tuesday's class. And we can explain how he conveys his point of view. So we are going to reread, same that we read yesterday, right? 63 to 69. In your World Without Fish text. And we're going to use the same graphic organizer today that we used Tuesday. Looks like this. You're going to just work one paragraph at a time, okay? So number 1 says he is smug or proud that the fishermen were right. So Kurlansky's point of view, he was smug or proud that the fishermen were right. How do you know that? Quote specific words, phrases, and sentences from the text. So I need you to pull right from the text, page numbers, and then you need to note whether these text clues tell you directly if they led you to infer Kurlansky's point of view. And then while we're doing this, think about like the quotes and if they support your claims or not. Were there any other words you would highlight? Would you add anything to this explanation about how the author conveys his point of view? So they gave 2 point of views here, but then on the back you can write anything else that you want, any other point of views with evidence from that. So that's going to take you a while if you really dig into the text again. I would say that's probably going to take at least 30 or 40 minutes to work through this, to read it again and to really talk about point of view. And then when you're done with that, I want you to read the story of Cram and Alat part 6, which is at the end of chapter 5. And the question I want you to answer is, what do we learn about fishing from the graphic novel? And how does Kurlansky illustrate and elaborate on the idea of fish depletion here? So we're answering those same questions over and over, but I want you to email me your response today. So what do we learn about fishing from our graphic novel at the end of chapter 5? So this one. What do we learn about fishing from this graphic novel, and how does Kurlansky illustrate and elaborate on the idea of fish depletion here? So please email me that response. That's it, and I think this is all that we are going to do for the week. I don't think that we are going to work in this book tomorrow because I really want to focus on some of the junior scholastic articles tomorrow. I know you guys are probably ahead of us in class because we haven't started them yet. So you will not have to do anything for junior scholastic for this week. So, but don't throw your magazine away because we're going to keep that and be using it for a few weeks. All right, have a great day.